dark before me, Lord, your light will lead me home. When the world is turned against me, I will never walk alone. I have walked through silent valleys where my prayers seemed far away. I have cried behind closed doors, Lord, searching for the light of day. But a whisper broke the darkness. Child, I've not forgotten you. Then your presence filled the silence, and your promise pulled me through. You held my heart when it was breaking. You breathed hope into my soul. When I could not take another step, your mighty hand would never let me go. Your love will carry me across the raging water. Your love will shelter me when every storm surrounds me. When fear declares that I am finished, your voice reminds me I am free. Through every fire, through every valley, Jesus, your love will carry me. There were nights I lost my courage. There were days I lost my way. But your mercy found me wounded and gave me strength to rise again. You took the pieces of my story that I believed could not be healed. Now every scar becomes a witness that your promises are real. You held my heart when it was breaking. You breathe hope into my soul. When I could not take another step, your mighty hand would never let me go. Your love will carry me across the raging water. Your love will shelter me when every storm surrounds me. When fear declares that I am finished, your voice reminds me I am free. Through every fire, through every valley, Jesus, your love will carry me. When my strength is gone, you are still strong. When my faith is weak, you still believe in me. When the mountain stands too high for me to climb, you will lift me in your arms and carry me through the night. There is no chain your grace cannot break, no wounded heart your hands cannot save, no grave, no fear, no depth of pain can separate me from your name. Your love will face that rescued me through every fire, through every valley, through every tear that no one sees. I will trust you now and forever. Jesus, your love will carry me when the road is dark before me. Lord, your light will lead me home. Jesus, your love will carry me. I will never walk alone. When the road is dark before me, Lord, your light will lead me home. When the world is turned against me, I will never walk alone. I have walked through silent valleys where my prayers seemed far away. I have cried behind closed doors, Lord, searching for the light of day. But a whisper broke the darkness. Child, I have not forgotten you. Then your presence filled the silence, and your promise pulled me through. You held my heart when it was breaking. You breathed hope into my soul. When I could not take another step, your mighty hand would never let me go. Your love will carry me across the raging water. Your love will shelter me when every storm surrounds me. When fear declares that I am finished, your voice reminds me I am free. Through every fire, through every valley, Jesus, your love will carry me. There were nights I lost my courage.